Immediately, we brought them here to a commercial flight. They seem alright. Hindi basta-basta napapauwiin mo na yan kasi we have to, see how they are talaga, no? Some were crying, di ba? Yung unang lumabas, umiiyak, di ba? Tapos nandun yung mga pamilya nila with them, no?
Categorically, as a doctor, they are not traumatized. Alright? They came, galing po sila sa isang traumatic situation. Ang ayaw nating mangyari is mag-develop sila nung tinatawag na post-traumatic stress disorder. But I can say po, bilang isang doktor at bilang DOH po, nung nakita ko sila lumabas dun sa arrival corridor, wala po namang visible signs of trauma.
First and foremost, we ensured the continuous payment of what we call allotments, right? The payment of the salaries doubled in this case, no? All throughout the 428 days. So that's number one. Number two, we provided the necessary financial assistance to the families along the way. And we will do so again, another round of financial assistance under the Action Fund. Third, we had, at some point, in different specific cases, medical assistance provided to families as they were needed.
Kami po ang nag-i-issue ng kanilang mga seaman's book, no? Sisiguraduhin po namin na ito ay marirenew dahil kailangan siguro after makabalik sila, makasama nila yung kanilang pamilya at after having a good rest or vacation, ay pwede na silang bumalik ulit sa trabaho, no?
Pasado alas 9 kagabi nang dumating sa Ninoy Aquino International Airport ang 17 tripulante ng MV Galaxy Leader. Ito ay matapos ang mahigit isang taong pagkakabihag sa kanila ng mga rebeldeng Houthi sa Yemen.